Wow. Wow.
Honorable Ministers present, our dear Central Committee members, the MK movement, our honorable members of Parliament, local government leaders, our dear religious leaders, our invited guests, our supporters from all over the country, ladies and gentlemen. Our chief guest, allow me, on behalf of the Central Committee of the MK movement, to deliver and read a statement, a proclamation from the MK movement. And here it goes. Whereas the MK movement started in April 2022 as a spontaneous and diverse group of Ugandans that rallied around General Muhoozi Kainerugaba to appreciate his military service and the service of his military comrades to the Republic of Uganda. And whereas over the past 17 months, the MK movement has remained engaged and active in mobilizing Ugandans towards the goal of national unity, peace, and stability. And whereas the national unity, peace, and stability can only be achieved by a patriotic citizenry that are mobilized, organized, and empowered to fulfill their role in building sustainable foundations for the independence, sovereignty, and socio-economic development of their fatherland. And whereas in exercise and enjoyment of the rights by citizens, scant attention has been paid to the inseparable duties and obligations of citizens, particularly the duty to be patriotic and loyal to Uganda and promote its well-being. Now, therefore, we the MK movement hereby proclaim the aforementioned objects to be a manifest production for the independence, sovereignty, and development of Uganda, and in furtherance of the aforementioned objects, we hereby constitute ourselves into a civic organization and assume and adopt a new name and identity, the Patriotic League of Uganda, which is the main aim of working towards receiving Ugandans in a spirit of good citizenship, national pride, national service, protection of vulnerable persons, combating corruption and wastage of public resources, and protection of the environment. May I request us to unveil our new formation.
Wow. Wow. Patriotic League of Uganda.